You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French basketball player. If you want to learn more names from basketball, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons coming up for you. Let's break down how to pronounce his name. He plays in Italy at the moment, Bologna. Isaïa, not in English, it's normally pronounced as Isaiah, okay, but it's Isaïa Cordinier, Isaïa Cordinier. Therefore, in English, you can pronounce his name as Isaiah. You could say Isaiah, that's how this name, biblical name, would be pronounced in English, but, he would say Isaïa Cordinier, Isaïa Cordinier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.